and Crash Course Instrumentation, Episode 8, Loop Diagrams. Welcome back to Crash Course Instrumentation. In Episode 8, we're focusing on one of the most technician-friendly documents in your toolkit, the Ep8 loop diagram. What is a loop diagram? A loop diagram shows the complete electrical and signal path of a single control loop, from the field device, through junction boxes and terminal strips, into the control panel, and all the way to the PLC or DCS. While P&IDs give you the big picture, loop diagrams give you the wiring details. Why are loop diagrams important? They help you troubleshoot electrical signal issues. They show terminal block numbers, wire numbers, and signal direction. They confirm proper connections during loop checks and commissioning. They reduce guesswork during installation or maintenance. Example: imagine you're checking out a pressure transmitter that's reading flatline. The loop diagram tells you what terminal strip the transmitter connects to, which marshalling cabinet or junction box is used, the wire color or number, where the signal ends up in a PLC analog input card, for example. Common elements in a loop diagram: device tag, e.g. PT101, signal direction, arrow or symbol, terminal block identifiers, e.g. TB12, term 4225, junction boxes and cable tray info, control system endpoint, AI card, I/O module. Sometimes a small schematic of the instrument wiring itself. Some loop diagrams even include shielding notes, grounding instructions, supply voltage if loop powered. How are loop diagrams created and maintained? Originally, these were hand-drawn, each loop on its own sheet. Then came CAD systems like AutoCAD and SmartPlant. Today, many loop diagrams are maintained inside CMMS platforms or DCS integrated document control systems. But whether they're paper or digital, loop diagrams must be updated whenever field changes happen. Redlining and revising drawings is part of your responsibility as an IFN tech. Best practices: always check for the latest revision. Redline discrepancies in red ink. Coordinate updates with your documentation control team. Historical context. Loop diagrams became widely used in the post-WITU industrial boom when plants adopted pneumatic loops and later 4 to 20 milliamp signals. These documents helped coordinate installation across thousands of feet of conduit and cable tray. In large refineries and chemical plants, hundreds or even thousands of loop sheets might be in use. Bottom line: if a P&ID tells you what instruments exist, the loop diagram tells you exactly how they're wired. It's the technician's GPS for installation, calibration, and repair. This episode is based on Lessons in Industrial Instrumentation by Tony Kuphaldt. You can read the full open-source text at the link below. Like, subscribe, and follow along. We'll tackle datasheets next in Episode 9. Explore the full text. hkcaps.ibiblio.org. Kuphaldt I. Socratic model. Watch all episodes. www.youtube.com/Crash Course Instrumentation. Join the discussion. www.facebook.com/groups